Hey guys, right, I just found out some information, probably a little secret hack, again, based on LinkedIn, not really to optimize your LinkedIn profile, but to make you stand apart from the competition, make your profile stand out in the thread of things. So I'm going to jump into a quick screen sharing session and share with you what I've just figured out. So you should be able to see one of my desktops now. Let me just move this out of the way. Right, so let's go to my profile and just see what I'm talking about. Right, you'll notice that I have changed the font in my actual name, right? And I've made it so it's caps. It's all caps. Some of this is bigger caps and some is small caps. So we've got, you know, the capital L and then lower caps there. Now, I've used this technique throughout the top of my profile. I've done it on my name. So when you see me in a list, and let me just go back to LinkedIn. So here you can see that my name is appearing differently. If someone's searching for a personal branding specialist or CV writer or web designer, graphic designer, I'm going to look different in that list. Now I'm going to show you where else I've applied this inside of my profile. Because I'm obviously running a business, I'm using different sections. So I've got what I do, my experience, what people say, and my skills. So I've just made it that usually on the LinkedIn editor, you can't do this, but I've figured out a really cool way of doing it. So I'm going to drop this down into a link in the comments. So you've got the hyperlink to go to the software to do this. Right. So it's a website called Many Tools. So manytools.org. And it is Facebook Twitter / small caps text tool /. So what you have to do is it just brings up this little generator here, the small caps, so you can write whatever you want. So I mean, if I just want Lee Woodrow, there, it pops Lee Woodrow in there. And what you have to do is you have to copy this off here, and then you go back to your profile, edit your profile, and you paste it in on top of whatever you want. So I've done it on my name, and I've also done it in here just to break these sections up and to use a different style of font, you know, on the titles of these sections, which is what I wanted. So what I found is it's just making me stand apart from the competition, being a little bit different. But that's it. So what I'll do, I'll pop the link in the comments. I'm going to stop this screen share. And thank you very much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.